Hello guys, today we are going to discuss what is CPU. CPU, which is called Central Processing Unit, is one of the most main component of a computer because it performs most of the processing. Central Processing Unit is the main component of a computer because it performs most of the processing because it executes the instructions from program and carries out calculation to run applications, operating system and other tasks. So you can say that CPU is one of the most main component of a computer because it performs most of the processing done by the CPU, and also it execute instructions which is come from program, and also it carries out calculations which is required to run the applications because application needs calculations and data to run, and also operating systems and other tasks. So this is the task of the CPU, and it is one of the most main component of a computer. What is a part of a CPU? The number one is control unit, means you can say it CU because it manages and direct the flow of data. It manages and direct the flow of data and instructions between the CPU and other part of the computer. It will manages and direct how the data will be flow and how the instructions will be carried out between the CPU and the other part of a computer, and also tell other component what to do, means you can say it the functionality of a CU is to direct and manages the flow of instructions and data, how the instructions and the data will be flow, and also it decodes the instructions from program, and also tell the other component what to do, it will tell the other component. So this is the functionality of a control unit, and also it perform the main functionality of a CPU. So this is called control unit. And the second one is arithmetic logic unit, which you can say it ALU. It performs the mathematical operations. You can say that addition, subtractions, multiplication and etc. And also it do the logical operations like comparison, like greater than, equal to, less than. This is the functionality of a arithmetic logical unit because it performs the mathematical operations, and also it handle out the calculations which is needed by the CPU to perform its task. Means you can say it arithmetic logic unit perform the mathematical operations, and also you can say that it perform the main calculations which is needed for the CPU to function. So the next point is registers. Register is one of the most small and fast storage which is located inside the CPU. This storage is located inside the CPU because it temporarily holds the data and the instructions that is being processed. It is one of the most fastest storage which is inside the CPU, and also it holds the temporary data and instruction which is required for processing. Mean this is the functionality of the register which holds the data and instruction which is required for processing. What is example of a register? The accumulator register store intermediate results of calculation. So you can say this register store the intermediate result which is being processed and also required for the calculation, intermediate calculations. So it accumulate the data, and this is the functionality of a register which accumulate data and instruction which is required for processing. It accumulates those data and instructions. And also it is one of the most smallest and fastest storage. What is cache? Cache is small and fast memory which is located inside or close to the CPU. It is located inside or close to the CPU because it frequently stores the instructions and the data which is required for processing, and then it is located inside or outside the CPU. means it reduces the time taken for the CPU to access the data from the main memory. It reduces the time because it is small memory and it is also located inside or outside the CPU. What is clock? Clock controls the timing of all CPU operations and how it controlled by generating regular pulses. It generates the regular pulses and also it is required to control the timing of all CPU operations. You can say that CPU operations require time and also it need to manage. So how they manage? They manage it by controlling the time. And how they control the time? By generating regular pulses. The speed of the pulse is measured in gigahertz and also it determines how many instructions the CPU can process per second. So it also determines how many instructions the CPU can process per second. It is a parameter that how much instruction CPU can process per second and it is measured in gigahertz. So this is clock. So you can say that all these components work together to process the data and execute instructions effectively. These all components required to process the task. Means you can say that CPU also required, ALU also required. You can also say this registers, cache and lastly clock also required, and collectively these components work together to process data and execute instructions effectively. So this is all for today. I have discussed CPU and what is the key component of a CPU and how they work to perform and execute the instructions effectively. So this is all for today. I will bring some other lecture in the coming video. Thank you.